Hi, my name is Kaylee. I am a beauty influencer for Farmasi Cosmetics, and I am here to tell you about the amazing opportunity that we have to offer. To start, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a full-time college student at the University of Houston. I stay at home with my mom, which also is a beauty influencer for Farmasi Cosmetics. So being a full-time student, you can only imagine how amazing it is that I get to come home and work from my phone and dedicate most of my time to school, because school is very important to me and I do want to make really good grades. So I love being able to come home, not have to worry about working a part-time job and working from my phone. To share the opportunity with you, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the compensation plan. I'm going to show you the starter kit that you receive when you sign up, and I'm also going to show a few of my personal favorite products from our catalog, which includes makeup, skincare, hair care, a men's line, a baby's line, perfume, cologne, and we also have a BeFit line coming in January. So a little bit about the compensation plan. To start off, it is $20 to start your business. Now I have so many people ask me, what's the catch? Are there any strings attached? Is this a scam? Is this for real? Is this legit? And honestly, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't legit. It is $20 to start your business. That is the cheapest starting point that I've heard of since I've been looking into direct sales. The next thing about the compensation plan is you earn 50% commission on all customer sales right off the bat. Again, there's no strings attached, no hidden fees, and no monthly quotas, which is also really amazing. You also get 50% off on all personal purchases. So anytime you decide you want to go to the website, try something new out, order something, you get 50% off. And as you sell more and sell more, you can also earn up to 25% commission in bonuses on your personal purchases and on your customer volume. So this month I am at 6%, so I am earning 6% back on any personal purchases that I made this month, but I'm also making an additional 6% off of my customer volume. There are tons of ways to make money in this business. You can also earn commission off of your team sales, and you can also receive a title change bonus. You can receive a bonus anytime that you sign someone up and they hit active. There is tons of ways to make money. So the next thing I want to do now is share with you the handy dandy starter kit that you receive when you sign up with Farmasi. So this comes with a lot of helpful things to start your business. The first thing that's in here that I think is the most helpful thing out of the entire box is this guide to starting your business. Basically, it even has the compensation plan on the back of the book. And as you flip through it, towards the front of it, there is actually information on Farmasi. So you get like the history of Farmasi. So Farmasi was originated in Farmacity in Turkey. It is actually fairly new to the US, so ground floor opportunity, it's a perfect time to sign up. And then the next thing that I noticed about the book is that it also shows you everything that you would need to know if you didn't know anything about direct sales. So it tells you what your personal volume means, it tells you what a group volume means. So there's a glossary, and it just basically has tons of definitions for words that you may not know about. So it tells you your personal volume, group volume, retail margin, personal bonuses, group bonus, bonus level, title points, a title, a generation, a downline, a car allowance, which is also another way that you can earn money with Farmasi, side points, and leadership bonus. So all of this is everything you need to know about the compensation plan for Farmasi. It tells you everything. We also have a welcome program. So every month from the month that you sign up, you have a chance to earn free products through the welcome program. So it tells you about your personal bonuses, it tells you about group bonuses, it tells you about your group volume, it tells you about the leadership bonuses, the car allowance, the cash bonus, the bonus titles. And then on the back, compensation plan. There are also a ton of YouTube videos on the compensation plan. The next thing that is also really helpful is you get a skincare, you get a skincare guide. So basically, if you need to know what kind of so if you need to know what skincare line that you would need to use, you could just flip open your book and it tells you everything you need to know about all of the different skincare lines that we offer, which is really cool. So if you also have any customers or, you know, interested friends or family who would need to know what skincare line they would need to use on their skin type, you would just flip open your skincare guide and let them know. So the next thing that you get to kickstart your business is you get 5 catalogs. So the catalogs, obviously, they include everything that Farmasi has to offer. Really fun to flip through catalogs. I really like that they offer catalogs. I love catalogs. Another thing that you get are these really cute little makeup bags in case you want to take, you know, samples or things like that, or maybe you have someone who's local and you ordered for them. You can just put them in these bags, really cute bags. I also really love the style of this company. And then last but not least, you also get samples. Obviously, everybody's fear of buying foundation online is not knowing whether or not the color is going to match. So once you sign up, you get samples of the different foundations that we have. So we actually have 6, we have 5 or 6 in total. You get these, and you can also order them online as well. You can order more samples, things like that, to color match, or if you have someone who needs to color match, you have your samples. There was also lipstick samples, and I forgot about the lipstick samples, but they're mixed in with my lipsticks because I actually like to use them. I'll pull one out and show you the size of them, but you get a good handful of the lipstick samples. You also get a little bit of the skincare samples as well. The Calendula sleeping mask is one of my favorite things ever. I have such dry skin, so the Calendula line is a lifesaver. It's so amazing. This is amazing. You put it on before you go to sleep, you wake up, you wash it off, and your skin is so incredibly soft. It's amazing. And then this, we have some of massaging gels that help with like sore muscles, and I've heard that we've had results on removing scars or stretch marks and things like that, so these are really cool as well. Here are one of the lipstick samples. So you get like a really tiny little lipstick sample tube, but they're really cute and you can use them just as you would any lipstick, so that's really fun too. And they're really cute because they're so tiny. I also wanted to go ahead and share our holiday magalog. So we had a few of these like holiday boxes, and it was a Christmas sale. So if you bought one of the makeup boxes, you could choose between green or red, and then you also get all of these products here. And then we also had a skincare box, so you got to choose your color again. And then we had, I think, like perfume boxes and things like that. So lots of fun things that come out all the time. We had Black Friday sales, we had Cyber Monday sales, and then recently we've had like random holiday sales be announced. So that's really cool too. The face palette that I'm a super huge fan of is our 3-in-1 face palette. So it comes with a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. It's super cute. And I believe it's limited also, so we don't have it forever, but it's like everyone's favorite and it's amazing. I really love it. I love taking this brown and putting it on my eyes. I also really love taking the blush and putting it on my eyes, and then of course you can also use the shimmer on your eyes, and then they're also gorgeous on the face. So this is one of my favorite products. It's been a favorite since I've signed up. I had to get it. And then I'm also going to show you the eyeshadow palette that I used on my eyes tonight. So I used our Vice Brown eyeshadow palette. So it comes with a really pretty brown, an orange, and then a shimmer shade that I popped on my eyelid. I used all 3 shades. Super cute for the fall, and it's super cute for like an easy smoky. I'm not great at using black for smoky eyes, so this was really nice for me to be able to do like a pretty brown smoky on my eyes. So if you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment, or you can go to my socials and message me there. My name is Kaylee. I am a beauty influencer for Farmasi, and I'm so glad that I could have you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.